Hi guys, Megan Graham here, and today I'm going to show you how I quickly and easily wash my makeup brushes with shampoo. You need to wash your makeup brushes. If you don't and you're trying to have clear skin, you are literally taking bacteria and putting it on your face. Today I am going to show you a really easy, quick way to wash your makeup brushes, get all the grime, all the makeup, all the foundation off of them so you have a great, clean, fresh brush that's also going to help you keep your skin clean, clear, and beautiful. And if you're not already subscribed, please take a second to subscribe to my channel. That way you will see all of my new videos as soon as they come out. Let's get started on making our makeup brushes clean and fresh. The first thing that you will need is a plate, and on that plate you're actually going to be putting some shampoo. Here I'm using a really nice shampoo by Inner Sense. I take a brush, which I have already dipped in water, and I'm really working that brush into the shampoo. And you can see there is a lot of built up makeup in my brushes. So really just take your time, work those brushes very gently into the shampoo, and you're just removing all of that built up makeup and getting your brushes clean and ready to do a really beautiful and precise application. So as you rinse your brushes, you're going to want to actually make sure that you're rinsing down. If you are rinsing up into the handle, you'll actually be weakening the glue, which is not what you want to do. Once your brushes rinse clean, you can go ahead and gently reshape your brushes. I like to use my black makeup towels to just give them a little bit of shape so that I can lay them out flat and let them finish, and then they will be ready for the next day.